government, and indeed the whole House, has demonstrated its commitment to preventing and punishing acts of domestic violence through the passage of these important amendments. The grant will be accessible through the Sport Development Foundation following successful submission of a proposal. Today I'm announcing that we will be establishing another main center in the parish of St. Catherine to treat with the needs of our teenage mothers.
Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange, veteran minister, would like all Jamaica to know, and she asked me specifically to do so, that the necessary funding of $120 million has been included in the budget to complete the rehabilitation of Jam World and Fort Rocky as fully functional 24/7 entertainment zones.
I feel excited as this is a significant moment in the development of the sport program here at Crystal House and by extension, sport development in Jamaica at the grassroots level. I'm thanking you for joining us today for the signing of a memorandum of understanding for bilateral cooperation in the field of sport between Government of Jamaica and the Government of the People's Republic of France. In this phase one of the insurance, we will cover free of cost to you death benefit up to $500,000 under group life and personal accident.